What is up, achievers? How is everybody doing? I hope you've had a great September. And with this video, I believe we are entering into October, and I hope that all of you have your plans for this month ready. I hope you've been crushing it this year, and it's finally Q4, October, November, December. This is a very crucial time for all of you Amazon sellers, and if you're still aspiring to become an Amazon seller, this is probably the silver lining in terms of the timings where you can get in. You can get in this month, you can make some sales in this last quarter of the year, and you can get a taste of what it is like to be an Amazon FBA seller. Right guys, I've got a really big news, and I cannot believe I even have this news to tell you guys, because for the longest time I did not even know that I had this news to tell you guys. Anyways, you probably have read the title of the video or seen this thumbnail already, so you know what I'm going to be talking about, and that is actually very true. I actually crossed $1 million. My God, I'll keep that for a future video. Anyways, I crossed $100,000 in sales on Amazon. Those are sales and not profit. I have crossed $100,000 in revenue on Amazon.com with my first FBA brand and 2 FBA products. All right, primarily one, because the other one is actually not even running well. So yeah, I've basically made all of this money with just one product, and I want to walk you guys through about that, show you the exact sales numbers on my laptop, and also give you a little small breakdown about what were my costs, what were my profits, what were my ad costs, what were my shipping costs, whatever it is. Like, I just want to break it down for you guys so that you get a picture about what it is like to be actually a $100,000 seller. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. But I want to give a small introduction about myself first, because I think a lot of you watching this video would be new, because I hope that this video gets ranked after doing a lot of hard work on my YouTube channel, which I'm honestly going to talk about right now. So I have a YouTube channel. I make great YouTube videos. I hope I make great YouTube videos. You are the audience. You should tell me that. So you must check it out. I believe it's really a lot of value. There's a ton of videos. I've been actually releasing videos almost every day now. I've already made a list of videos about product research, about shipping, about marketing, about getting your Amazon FBA customer data, and I'm going to be making more videos in the coming weeks about product research. And I'm also actually traveling to China to attend the Canton Fair this month. In October, I'm traveling on 18th, reaching on 19th. I will be attending the phase 1, last day of phase 1 on 19th. So if you want to be updated about that, if you want to know what happens at Canton Fair in China, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, watch it till the end. If you like the video, just hit that thumbs up. It really helps me spread the word. Anyways, so let's get in the video. Ciao. I am on my computer screen and just wanted to walk you guys through once again through my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. It would really help me spread the knowledge and all the content that I'm creating for free. I think it's a lot of value and a lot of effort that goes into making these videos. So I would appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel after you see this video and you think that I am of any value to you guys. Anyways, so first I want to actually take you guys to my Amazon Seller Central account and just get that proof phase of this video out there so that you don't have any doubts about the numbers that I'm talking about. And once I show you the numbers on Seller Central, I'm going to go through a different software which will exactly break down all of the costs that were involved while I was chasing this number. Although frankly, I wasn't even chasing $100,000, and that's why I did not even know till today that I actually even crossed $100,000. I guess I did that on 16th of September, and you can imagine the day I'm uploading this video, it's about a couple of weeks later. So anyways, let's get into my Seller Central account, and this is my Seller Central account. As you can see, this is absolutely live. I am not showing you any screenshots here. So I'm gonna actually go to my business reports here. Under reports, the page is gonna load in front of you as you see. and I'm gonna actually change my dates to custom. I'm gonna put the date where I'm gonna put the date when I launched this product, basically my first FBA product. It was 18th of October. Probably my sister got lucky for me, it's her birthday. And I'm gonna make this date till 16th, because on 16th, because I've already checked, on 16th I crossed the $100,000 mark, and I didn't even know about it. I should have probably put an alarm or some kind of mechanism to tell me this happened, or maybe Fetcher should have told me that. So yeah, alright guys, so as you can see, the total ordered product sales is $103,969.52. The total number of ordered product units is 3,976. The average sales price of my item is actually $27, $27.66. Let's be very precise about that. And that's actually very good, like, because when I launched the product, I was aiming that this product could be only sold at about $22, but as you can see, the average sales price that I've been getting is about $27, which is absolutely amazing. And the profit that I get on a unit usually ranges from $8.9 to $11 depending on the day and the sales and the ad costs on that day. But that's the margin that I play with. That's after reducing my PPC or ad expenses, and that's actually a very good margin to have, and it's usually about 38% to 43%, and it might even go as high as $13 per unit. It went in this Q4, and it also did go to $13 per unit in the last Q4. So now I'm gonna actually go to my Fetcher dashboard, which is the tool that I use to track all of my sales numbers, my daily sales numbers, and look at all the expenses that I have. And this gives me an exact data, because this is connected to my seller account, and this is an absolutely amazing tool. If you would like to get this tool, and if you really enjoy watching this video, and if you want to take this tool, I would really appreciate you use the link below in the description, because I would definitely get a kickback out of that purchase if you make this, but if you choose to subscribe to this product. But frankly, this is an absolutely amazing product. It's a no-brainer. You just have to connect it to your seller account, and then it'll always kind of be like your go-to place when you want to check out your daily sales numbers or your costs or everything about Amazon FBA. So yeah, so I'm gonna again go ahead and change the date here. As you can see, this is live. I'm not really using any screenshots in this video. It is absolutely 100% a video that you're seeing, and it's not even pre-recorded. I'm actually doing this as I talk to you guys. All right, so as you can see, the numbers are not exactly the same, but they're not very off. It still shows $100,000. I'm so glad it's showing $100,000 for the same dates. There might be some data that's getting mismatched, or maybe it's actually reducing certain costs that I'm not taking into consideration. It's probably, yes, as you can see, it's actually reducing these numbers over here, which are refunds and promo rebates. But yeah, all right, so let's talk about the breakdown, and I'm gonna put that on the screen as well, so that you guys have a clear picture about what I'm talking about. So the total sales revenue that till date is actually, let's consider it to be $103,969.52. The profit of this is actually $38,507, so that's about a 38% profit, which is actually pretty good. And that's after reducing all of the expenses, after reducing the ad costs, the shipping costs, the product costs, the PPC costs, everything. Even if I have run any Facebook ads, I actually put those expenses in this tool, and it also reduces that cost for me. So yeah, as you can see, that's a 38% net margin. The PPC cost, which you might be curious to know, how much did I spend to actually make this much amount of sales? So I did not spend a lot. If you look at it, for the $100,000 that I've earned as revenue, I've spent about $5,693, as you can see over here. I would also add the $492 that I actually burned when I was launching the product. So let's just round it out to 6,000, and that would actually mean 6% of my sales revenue. 6% of my sales revenue has actually been my ad cost, which is actually not a lot, to be frank. And if you see the refunds over here, I've had about $2,534 of refunds, which again is a very good place to be. It's about 2.5% of my sales revenue, which is actually also in coherence to my return ratio, which is as high as 2.5% and maybe about 3%, not more than that. So those are my return ratios. So as you can see, guys, this is the complete breakup that I have for you, and it cannot be any better than this. Like, for the longest time, I did not even know that I made $100,000 in revenue on Amazon, because I wasn't really chasing this number. And to be frank, as an entrepreneur and as a seller, you don't really chase these numbers. They are there in the back of your mind when you're starting out, but while you're in the process, while you're loving the process, and if you're loving the process, if you're not in it for the money, like Gary Vee keeps saying, if you're following him, if you're not in it for the money, if you're in it for the process, you're gonna actually enjoy it, you're gonna actually love it. And that's what was happening with me. I just discovered that I even crossed $100,000 in revenue probably 3-4 days ago, and it did make me happy a little bit, because it is a milestone that every seller wants to cross, and why not? So my next target is actually to make another 100,000 this Q4, and I've already placed my order for this year with my supplier just today. I've already put in the advance for my order of $4,000, and it's the biggest order that I've ever placed till date. So I'm very excited about that. I'm very anxious about that. I just want to get it ready at my supplier's place and get it shipped safely to Amazon's warehouse. Once it is there in Amazon's warehouse, you really don't have to stress about it. You just have to focus on sales and scaling your sales. And I'll probably wanna just be out of stock by the end of this year, because I just want to celebrate. I don't want to focus on anything after 22nd of December. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. It really helps the video grow and spread on YouTube. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I create another video, because I don't want any one of you to miss any information that I'm giving out for free. Like, it's literally free. I'm really working hard for you guys. I bought this camera. I have this complete setup, and I just want to give out a lot of information for to you guys. So, and if you haven't joined my group, join it as soon as possible. Ask your questions right there. That's the best place to reach out to me. And if you want to win a one-on-one consultation call with me, do not forget to comment down below, subscribe to this video, and hit that notification bell. Which reminds me, the winner of the previous contest, please connect with me on Messenger so that we can make this work, and let's have that call. Alright guys, so that is all for this video. I'm signing off. This is your friend Rish. I just want to help you guys grow in your Amazon FBA business. I will see you next time. Till then, take care, keep crushing it, find that product and launch your product, because it's gonna change your life. Launch that product, it's gonna change your life.